Good evening, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word, please. Dear students, you are watching class 6 science chapter number 8 plant part 2. So let's start, dear students. Root system. Dear students, earlier we discussed root system and shoot system. Dear student, the root system, the part of a plant that grow under the ground is called, dear students, root system. Dear student, that it always grows towards the gravity and moisture away from the sunlight. So dear student, root is the underground part of a plant. Dear students, we know very well root is underground part of a plant. Root help in holding or anchoring the plants firmly to the soil. Dear students, we know very well that root work as in a fixation. It helps in a fixation. It just hold to the whole plant firmly. They absorb nutrients and water from the soil to keep the plant alive. To keep the plant alive, they get nutrients and they get water from the soil. Some root stored food in them. The roots, its branch, hair and root caps together constitute a root system. Dear students, the root system have a root hair, root branches and root cap. It's make what? Root system. Now, dear students, type of root system. Different type of root systems are as follow. First, dear students, tap root system. Dear student, this type of root system has main root or the primary root with lateral roots coming out from it. Dear students, I will show you figure, that is tap root system. Dear students, that is the lateral root and that is the main root. So dear students, in the some plants a single roots come out from the seeds, and after it's germinate, it is thicker at the upper part, generally tapers downwards. The primary roots gives the several branches. Primary root, dear student, this is the primary root and it gives us several branches in the every direction. These smaller branches, dear student, these smaller branches which is in every direction, dear student, these smaller branches are called what? Lateral roots. So dear student, this type of root is called, dear student, also tap root. So dear students, these branches are called, dear students, what? That is lateral root. A single roots emerge from the seed when it germinates. The root grows towards the ground and form a main root from which the branch arise. These branches are called what? Lateral root. The tap root grows deeper into the soil. Dear students, some example of plant with the tap root system is beans, mango, peas, carrot, radish and turnip. These are the example, dear student, like mango, neem, pine, carrot, radish are example of the plants in which tap root is found. Word verb, dear student, lateral root, roots that grow from the main root in the soil. Now, dear students, come to the next, that is fibrous root system. In this system, the root that emerged from the seed during germination dies. It replaced by the several roots that emerge from the common point on the lowest most tip of the stem. Dear students, I will show you. That is, dear students, in the some plant, branches are thin, fiber-like roots arise from the base of the stem. Dear student, that is the base of stem. These are called, dear student, fibrous roots. Fibrous, there is no main root. That cluster of roots spreads out in the soil, giving support to the plants. Fibrous roots do not grow very deep into the soil as they are appear of fibers. They are looking like fibers, dear students. Very thin and fiber-like roots. This root system is called, dear student, fibrous root system. A few example of plant with the fibrous root stems are maize, wheat, sugarcane, rice and onion. Dear student, grass, maize, wheat, onion, rice are few example of which of which fibrous roots are found. So dear students, now you understood very well what is the difference. Now you understood very well the difference between the tap root system and the fibrous root system. So dear students, you have to read these paragraphs carefully. Thank you students. Stay home, be safe.